November 1st mail call.
Mail call!
So I did a quick mail call in October, and with so much more mail coming in, I figured I'd do another quick one. But before, a few quick updates. I have a few reviews coming out very soon. As requested, I'll be doing a review on the Master's Keep Voyage, and I also am gonna have a fun cigar blend blind coming soon. I also have a very special review for my first Hazmat. I'm super excited about it, but more about that later. Now, this one's gonna be a mix of mail call and a whiskey haul. I did my first one in October, so if you haven't seen that one, I will leave a link to it right here, but let's get started. So the first one I'm gonna talk about is a bottle I got from Storytime. So let's open this up. So we've talked about Storytime in the past. I have gotten a few bottles from them, and actually one of them will be in my cigar blind. This is a new one they had that I had ordered during that time, and so let me get that out if I can. And it's called Old Dragon Bones. So this is actually a really cool bottle. It was very limited. It was a lot less bottles than they expected. Yeah, I got bottle number 68 out of 104 bottles that they had. Now, this is a single barrel rye whiskey, and it's 18 years old, and I'm excited to try this. So let me know if you want me to do a review on this. I think I will. I think it's something that I like to review and try and kind of share this. I want to see if Storytime's how their picks go. I mean, I really so far hear great things about them, and I'm excited to try this one. Next, I also want to talk about a bottle from New Braunfels Bourbon. It's a social bourbon club based in New Braunfels, Texas. They do some great barrel picks, and they had a cigar blend, but I missed it, so I won't get to review that one. But I happened to pick up this one, and it's a rye whiskey. And this one's a 16 years light whiskey limited edition at cask strength. Somebody in my comments that's part of that group asked me to review some of the bottles I've gotten from them. I've only gotten 2, but this is the most recent. So I think I will. I think I'll do a review on this, and if I do a review, of course, I'll be sharing it as well. Along with that came this awesome little sticker that goes on it. They give you the option if you want to put it on your bottle yourself or not. So I think it's a cool little sticker that goes with it. It's called the Worst Pick. And the reason is there's Worst Fest going on in San Antonio right now, and it's a big deal in San Antonio, so that's probably why they picked that name for this bottle. One other thing I was lucky to pick up when I was there is he did send me a sample of Rio. So that's the Penelope Rio. Now, I have gotten to try this one time before because my buddy Nathan from Everyday Drinker sent me a sample. It was really good, so I'm really happy to get another sample of this. I'm still looking for a bottle. I'm still hunting a bottle of this. I know they have batch 2 out already, and in my area, I haven't seen either 1 or 2, so hopefully someday soon, I'll be able to get a bottle of this.
Wish me luck!
Now next is a very, very special box. It is for my buddy Matt. You might know him as Iceman Can't Cook. Now, he's an amazing person, and he takes the time every week to remake cocktails from many of us on YouTube and Instagram. He does an amazing job with these drinks. He posts photos every week. He does multiples. He'll go out hunting for the bourbon, whiskey, or whatever he needs to make that drink. I think it's amazing how much time he takes and how much care he does to recreate the drinks.
It's amazing.
Over the last year, I have become friends with him. I enjoy his posts and his comments. Plus, it's a great day when a cocktail that I made gets a Sparkle approved grunt. So here's the box. Let's open this up. Hopefully nothing too crazy in here, nothing illegal, and especially hopefully no nudes. I'm just joking. Ooh, lots of good wrapping in here. Let's get rid of all that. And let's get all these bottles out and we'll go over them individually. So we'll fast forward to this part here.
Fast forward! Fast forwarding, sir!
All right. Finally got that all opened up, and man, that box was full. So he sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 samples. I'm a little worried because as you can see, these samples are numbered, and I went back and looked in the box, but I didn't see anything with these numbers, so I'll have to reach out to him and figure out what's going on there. And then he sent me that were labeled Jack Daniel's Unaged Tennessee Rye 80 proof, a blackened 72 seasons 90 proof, a yellow chartreuse, which thank you so much. Chartreuse is so hard to find. This is probably like just gold in the bottle right now.
I love gold.
And I don't know, you guys might have to help me pronounce this one. Pitu Chachu? I don't know. I'm just butchering the hell out of that one. So, Matt, thank you again. I'll definitely be in touch with you pretty soon to try to figure out all this. We'll talk soon. Thanks, bud. All right. As I said, this kind of gave me a mix up of a mail call and a whiskey haul. So we're gonna go over last year. We're gonna go over a few bottles I managed to pick up over the last few weeks. Now, let's start off with one that I was super excited to get. So this is still Austin's special release. It's called Monster Mash.
He did the Monster Mash.
Now, I got bottle 10 out of 474 bottles. I was online to get this to order. You can only order directly from the distillery and you have to pick it up. My wife and I were both online at the same time, just so we had a double chance of trying to get it. I managed to get it and she was online at the same time and did it. It sold out in seconds. Super excited that I was able to grab one. This is the first time I'm able to get one of these bottles, but pretty pumped, pretty excited. I haven't popped it open. I was planning to do it during Halloween, but I've been a little bit sick. My nose and my stuffiness and some congestion, and I wanted to taste this for the first time and really taste it. And you know, with all that congestion, it's very hard to do that. So soon I'll be popping that one open. Next, I also finally got the Larceny C batch. So C923 finally hit my area. I grabbed a bottle of it. I do have A, B, and C, so I will be doing a blind with it.
The blind leading the blind.
Before I jump ahead of myself, I did get also the Elijah Craig C batch, but this is funny. The C batch was the second one I got. The B batch was the last one I got. I was just thinking about that. But I did do a blind with this. I did do it when I was congested and all, so my results were not what I was expecting, but that's always what makes it fun, you know, doing a blind and getting results you don't expect. So I plan to do the same thing with this one and doing a blind on all three of these. I haven't tasted any of these this year, so that should be fun and exciting. Now, if you're wondering what I'm drinking, it's just a good daily pour that I enjoy. It's Barrel Vantage. I enjoy this pour. I always keep a bottle of it on my shelf. Easy starter, easy to sip, nice one, so I will just keep that there. I also managed to grab recently this Smoke Wagon Halloween edition. The juice in it's the same as proven before, but the cool thing about this bottle, the Halloween edition, is it does glow in the dark. If you watch me on Instagram, you probably saw a video on this because I did put it out there. I think I might have also put it on my YouTube as a short. I can't remember if I did or not. Very cool bottle, but if you haven't seen that, go check it out. It's pretty cool. This one kind of leads up to what I was talking about earlier about my Hazmat review. Now, of course, this is not the Hazmat bottle. I did pick this up. It's the Old Forester single barrel, the rye. I've been looking for this for a while. It was interesting because it was actually on the shelf when I went to go pick up the other bottle I was talking about. Nice thing is that I grabbed this anyway. I wasn't planning to, but hey, it was a great find. So always look on the shelf. You never know what you're gonna find. So I was pretty excited to pick this up. Now, the one I'm super excited about.
So exciting.
That's right. Garrison Brothers Cowboy Edition 2023. If you look right here, 140.9. That is Hazmat, baby. So I do have a Hazmat proof that I'm gonna try. This will be my first Hazmat. It's funny, I do have some other Hazmats that I have bought, but I've never tried them. I don't know why I haven't popped those open yet. But I'm excited for this to be my first Hazmat. I will be doing a review on this very soon. And of course, I'll be sharing because why? Sharing is caring, right? And this is the way.
This is the way.
After showing you all this, is there any other bottles that I have here that you'd like me to review? If you would, leave in the comments below. I feel like I got a pretty good end of the month I wasn't trying to spend too much, so I tried to keep it minimum. This one got me a little bit there, but I was lucky that I had already put money away specifically for this one because I was waiting for this one and I was really hoping to get it. The bourbon gods did bless me and I was able to grab one. So thanks again for joining me down another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. Cheers, my friends, until the next one.